All right, what's up, YouTube? Good morning. I am lowering my desk here. The sun might wake up, so um, that's that. Sun might wake up, so I might hop off a little bit, but um, just drawing on my levels. Drawing on my levels. Drew proof stay low. PM lows. Same with YM. We got SMT up here. We have a if the time at 9:30. And we entered a POI here. We're still long bias until we displace below these order blocks. That's pretty big placement down. Like that, 10-minute candle's huge. So let's see if we find any. Oops. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to find my window. I'm gonna trade a bit here. If I take a trade, so looks like this is probably yes, this first target was previous foot alert here. If we take this low, YM took it. We got SMT here on YM. So let's see what ES does. I think he's dragging behind. We got monitoring this. This is pretty key. Hourly. My NQ is just lagging behind. Let's see what's going on here. Let's draw standard deviation just for fun. Yeah, let's go to about 4. And let's see. Really high premium. We're staying above. Let's see here. So we displaced since we kind of below. Okay, so there's that previous 20-minute low. Okay, let's see here. You can see we're still in a buy program until we displace below all this, but I don't like this big BPR right here. I'm leaning more bearish. If we get displacement through here, 1 minute. No civvies created from the 1 minute on the previously low. Look at all that sell side on my and I mean so much sell side liquidity, but NQ just lagging behind. Okay, so look at YM and ES are in sync. ES continue to drop. And yeah, let's see how low we go. Not liking this price action, pretty out of sync right now. Excuse me. Waking up. Yeah. I mean, the only way I would take a short, if ES retraced back into this PPR and Enki showed signs of displacement lower. Um, I'm gonna draw this out. Big PPR right here. Same with YM. Enki is just refusing to go lower. Put an alert on London lows. And here. Turn off this 10-minute one. Okay. Let's monitor this low. And okay, I think that's the high. 81, 30-point stop. See if we get a pretty big stop. A 30-point stop. 26-point stop. Get a retrace into 15-second on. I think I might be trading into the POI, but gosh, I think I missed that entry. 62. Yeah, I missed it. So there's that low on ES. If you were to trade into the POI, there's a pretty big SMT here. So let's see if it shows signs of any reversal, or if it just keep dropping. I think we're gonna go for London low on ES. Let's see what this could be, the potential low here. We need to see ES related splits above this. Gosh, these ranges are huge. hard to trust long right here. Okay, so 15 seconds. Okay, we do have a CST there. Yeah, seems like it's a 50, 37, 15-point stop. Don't quite trust yet. No, close above breaker, so it's probably still short. This is the high, the ticket high at 38. Where this, I'm sorry, this candle here, this swing point here. And London lows for ES is the target, which means I mean, it look like if we displace, if we get a candle close. I'm gonna wait till yeah, I think we're going lower. Yeah, definitely. $32. Could just do a little, sneak a little
Order filled.
there. Shoot, never mind. Maybe that's a little. Might have been a little bit too early. Silly trade.
Order working. Order cancelled. Order working.
I don't like the wine spacing up. I might just get out. Silly trade.
Order working.
Put this devil's mark on the 1 minute here. It's so out of sync. Might not hit it because the S&P. Not liking it. Get out. Oh my God, she just waked my freaking. Nope, not liking it.
Order filled. Order cancelled.
Wham is enough. So then got out. Let's see if there's any. We're still bearish, I think. I'm just gonna stay out. Not sure it probably would have worked because I think ES is still heading towards line low, but yeah, look at that. better just to stay out. This is just not great conditions right now. Okay, we got the big S&P here. If YM begins to reject that level, we just a little SIBI, push lower, and that means that line and low is the target. And there's a big breaker right here on NQ. Big range. Happens here in ES. Any bodies close below this range, then wow, so bullish. Look. Okay. So we gotta just wicked into that SIBI. The biggest here. So rangy. I think I'm just gonna sit on my hands. This is really bad. I'm glad I cut out earlier. See what Wime does. Look at that. Okay, so that might be the SMR there. Rejecting that SIBI. Yeah, that was just a retracement to go lower, I think. Yeah. I don't like our NQ just lagging though. News? Then maybe not. This breaker is no longer valid. On the 1 minute, traded above that. This is not clear at all. I'm just gonna sit on my hand. PM session might be better. Super unclean. Still think the draws here is just gonna play with us a little bit. Draws lower. Hit the London low on ES. Yeah, I think we got this place below this 50-minute SIBI or BISI. Anyways, I'm gonna hop off. It's not high probability, so I'm gonna just sit out this morning session. I don't think this macro is going to do anything. Let's see. There's 10 o'clock. It might be to wake up. And then we'll go down. Yes, it's headed to take these lows. LR here. But looking ugly. Really ugly. Might just be like an inside day. Yesterday's range. Staying above yesterday's range kind of on ES. Yeah, so just staying within this range. And quite close below this order block here. Once the 10-minute closes below here, I think we're gonna head lower. Looks like we're just gonna do this. We're gonna break below here. It's a pretty good sign. Not red yet, but that's there's a key level. Mark out this sector. Yeah, this is boring. So, this back was probably not gonna do anything. I'm gonna get off. Cool. I haven't had my coffee yet. So there's the little manipulation leg there. Might displace lower, take out these lows on ES. We're just ranging and We're just in between these two PD arrays. We're in between this big PPR here, this big inversion below previous day low on ES. We didn't displace below. Look at the 1 minute on this range. We just wicked into it, right? Like this. Look at the lowest candle on 30-minute ranges. So from this was this Tuesday, 7 to 7:30 range. It was early today. We didn't split below there, so that makes me think that we're gonna go higher. So that could be another SMT. I mean, who knows? This is just so ugly. WAM's going lower. Now we might take out these lows here. And then NQ probably draw into this 049 level. Yep, there it is. This devil's mark right here. It's like SMT to both sides, just kind of snaking around, staying within the range. Not super high profitable. So I'm going to wait for it either 30-minute or 90-minute SMT and a clear displacement to see what direction it wants to pick. I'm just monitoring this range here. The top of this. Previous 30-minute. Look how many times it's been used as resistance, support, resistance, support. That's a pretty key range that I'm monitoring right there. Seeing what it does. This busy, so holding on. Thank you. And I'm just going to get off that. This is boring. So I'll probably hop back on in mock. Last 30 minutes of the day. Market or close, power hour, and see if there's a setup there. We're just going to let structure build a little bit more until we get some more narrative. But it's I think London lows is on ES is the draw currently. It's just looking really choppy, so we'll probably take London lows. Maybe my guess is we take London lows, create SMT, and then go higher. NQ staying strong, so as long as NQ remains above previous day high, then we're still bullish. It looks something like this. To the 26 500 level. Let's go by the hundreds, maybe 2600.